Hello everyone, my full name is Astrid Gabriela Alcantara Pinedo. I was born on March 2nd, 2002 in Sabogal Hospital in Callao. There are four people in my family, my father Alex, my mother Lisette, my sister Edalis, and my brother Diego. My family is very important to me and we enjoy spending time together. I study nutrition. And in my free time, I enjoy reading and listening to music. These hobbies help me relax and learn new things. I am taking this course because I want to improve my English skills, especially my speaking and communication abilities. And I believe English will help me in my professional and personal life. Thank you for listening and have a great day. Bye.